Hello students, welcome to this session on CAD two-dimensional drawing, otherwise called the multi-view projection. It is actually the purpose of this session is to draw the orthographic views of a given machine component. So here you can see that the pictorial view of a machine component called the rod support is given, the isometric view is given, and what we have to do is we have to draw the orthographic projection of this particular machine component. So as you can see that it is having a lot of parts. Okay, first part, as you can see that there is a rectangular slab at the bottom. Okay, the length is 145 mm, the width is 72 mm, and the thickness is 18 mm. Rectangular slab. Next you are having a square slab at the top back side. Okay, so 1 and 2. Next is you can see that there is a portion over here, a triangular portion over here. The triangular portion is called the rib. Okay, so that is the third portion, and the fourth is that you can see a circular hole over here inside that square slab, and the fifth portion is a slot at the bottom slab. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are something which we need to subtract. Okay, so this is the machine component. So the isometric view is given, and you are given the direction, the front direction, as looking from here. The arrow mark is shown from in this direction. You can also have it in this direction also. Okay, in this direction also. So based on the question you will have to solve for it. Okay, so right now in this question, this is the front view. So since this is the front view, this is your top view, and based on this front side, this is the left side. So you can see the front side, top side, and the left face. Okay, so the left face, so we need to draw the left hand side view as well. Okay, so first let's look from the front. Okay, so as we are looking from the front, you are having a rectangular face over here. The dimension of this rectangular face is 145 by 18. Okay, so we will start by drawing the front view. Okay, so the front view is drawn first. So I'm just drawing it roughly. Okay, I'm not drawing to the actual dimension. So you're having a square slab here first. Okay, you're having a square slab. It is 145 by, the height is 18 mm, and on the right side you can see that triangular rib. Okay, so that triangular rib, as you are looking from the front, it looks like a rectangle on the right end. Okay, so this is that rib, and on side of that you can see that square. Okay, so this height you can calculate it. Okay, the thickness, this thickness is 18, this height is 62, so you can extend this, and the total length of this square is 72. The side is 72. Okay, and you can see that there is a hole over here. So this hole comes at the center over here. So the diameter of the hole is given, and the location of the center from the side edges. From left face it is 30 mm, and from the top edge it is 32 mm. So you can locate the center, that is this distance from the left face, it's 30 mm, and from the top, the axis, the origin, is at a distance of 32. And as you get the center, you can draw the circle. The radius is the diameter is given as 30 mm. Okay, 30 mm. So this is the front view. Okay, next is the top view. Next, to draw the top view, you just draw the projectors downwards. Okay, you just draw the projectors downwards. Okay, you don't have to take the measurement of the width and all once again, because already we have taken this as 145 mm. Okay, so this is the front view. Next is the top view. As you are looking from the top, you can see that square slab. Okay, the square slab, rectangular slab, the top face, the dimension is going to be 145 by 72. So This length is, so you can take it at any random distance from the vertical plane. Okay, it doesn't matter at all unless it is specified in the question. So this is the back rectangular edge, and this width is 72. So you take 72 as the width. This is the front edge. So this is the top view. On that top view, you're having this small rectangle portion. Just draw it downwards. We have already found out that edge. Okay, so this is the top face. The dimension is 72 by this width is 27. Okay, next is this rib, the rib portion. The width is 10, so just take 10 mm and draw it downwards. So this is the top view of the rib. Next is the slot over here. So slot, the dimension is given. Okay, I think it is at the center. So 72. This center line could be 72 by 2. So this is 36, and you have the center line of the slot, and this distance is given. You're having slot will be having two centers, O1 and O2. So you can see that O1 is at a distance of 22 from the left face. So from the left face you take 22 mm and you locate your O1 center of the slot. Next, the distance between O1 and O2 is 22. So you locate the second center of the slot. So this is O2, and the radius of the circle is the diameter is 22, so the radius is going to be 11. 22 by 2, 11. So you take 11 on one side, 11 on the other side, on both the sides of O1 and O2, and you complete the circles and you join the edges. Okay, so join the edges. So this is the slot, circular slot. All the dimensions as given in the question, you just label it 22. The diameter is given as also it's 22, and this distance of O1 is also 22. Now this is about the top view. Next is the left hand side view. So this is the elevation which we have drawn. This is the plan which we have drawn, and next is the side view. Which side view are we talking about? It is the left hand side view. So as we have the left hand side view, the projection of the left hand side view is going to be on the right. So this is the left hand side view. Okay, left hand side view. So in order to get that, you just draw the projectors to the right. Okay, so this width is 72. Just project it to the right, and taking this origin, you rotate this. You rotate this, keeping the compass over here. Okay, keep the compass over here and just rotate this distances. Okay, just rotate this distances, and this is also going to be your 72. So this is the side view where you can see the object solid from this direction. Okay, so you're having the rectangular slab at the bottom. You have the rectangular slab at the bottom. Okay, after that you have this rectangular face. Okay, just extend this projector. Okay, just extend this projector. So you have this rectangular face. The width is, as you all know, it is 27. This total height, it is 62 plus 18. Okay, so this is 62, this is 18, this height we know it, and finally you just have to complete this triangular rib. Okay, so that is about the side view. Now we have drawn all the three views, but the thing is we forgot to draw about the circle and the slot. So it is very important. Okay, in the front view, just examine this. In the front view, the circle can be seen, the circular hole can be seen, but whereas the slot cannot be seen in the front view. Now what about the top view? In the top view, the slot can be seen, but the circular hole cannot be seen. The circular hole cannot be seen. And just look at the side view, when I'm looking from this direction, the slot as well as the circle cannot be seen. Okay, so as we just discussed earlier, that is, in the front view the circle can be seen. Okay, in the front view the circle can be seen, but the slot cannot be seen. So how will you denote the slot? Is that you extend this O1 and O2, draw the projectors of O1 and O2 upwards. Okay, extend the points O1 and O2 upward. So this is the axis of O1 and O2. Next, these two extreme edges of the slot, that also you project it upwards. Okay, so this is the slot. So these are the end points of the slot in the front view, and this is the axis. So this is the axis. So in the front view the circle can be seen, whereas the slot cannot be seen, so it is drawn using dotted lines. This is O1 and O2, the two axes, and these are the two corners. Okay, next in the top view you can see the slot, but you can't see the circle in the top view. When you are looking from top, the circle cannot be seen, it is hidden. Okay, so what you have to do is you just extend the circle, the two ends of the circle, just extend it downwards as well as the axis. So this is going to be your circle. This is the axis of the circle, and whereas these are the two ends of the circle. So that completes the front view as well as the top view. Next is the side view. Whereas if you're looking in this figure, in the side view, the slot as well as the hole cannot be seen. So as both can't be seen, so which means that both are denoted as dotted lines, as it is invisible. So what you are going to do next is you will draw the projectors of the circle to the right, okay, and of the slot, you project it to the right and you rotate it, based on this circle. So I forgot to denote, this is the xy plane and this is the y z plane. Okay, y dash is a plane. So yeah, rotated the slot, so we get the width of the slot. Okay, you get the width of the slot is already 22, as we know it. It's already 22, and this is O1 and O2. So just extend O1 and O2. So this is the axis, O1 and O2 in the side view. Next is about the circle. This is the top edge, this is the bottom edge, whereas this is the axis. So that completes the side view as well. So that's it. This is a solution of the problem, that is to draw the 2D drawing of this isometric part. Another important thing which we have to have in mind is that suppose the front is defined, just look for the direction, the arrow mark direction. Where is the arrow mark shown, whether it is on this side or on this side? Okay, if suppose the arrow mark is on this side, then this will be your front. So if this becomes your front, this anyway is your top face, and whereas this side, it will be based on this front view, this will be your right side. Okay, this will be your right side, and since this is the right side view, so the right hand side view projection won't be on the right, but it will come on the left. So the figure is going to be like this. You have to draw the projection to the left. So that means that to conclude, the right hand side, if this is the front side, this is the right side which is visible in the isometric, so right hand side view will come on the left. So this is the right hand side view which comes on the left, and based on the information which is available, you just draw the projectors, okay, from the front view as well as the top view, rotate it, and you get the right hand side view on the left. So you don't have to draw both the views, left hand side view and right hand side view together. Based on the question, we will decide which view we have to draw. Okay, so that comes to the end. Thank you.